The Italian word for firefly, glowworm, or lightning bug is
Lucciola. Lucciola.
all species of lucciole, both at the larva and adult stage, are characterized by the ability to produce
Luce.
which is light in Italian, from the abdomen due to a phenomenon called bioluminescence.
Di notte le lucciole illuminano il bosco. È uno spettacolo bellissimo e surreale.
At night, the fireflies light up the woods. It's a beautiful and surreal sight. In the world of cinema and theater, lucciola was once used to refer to a person, usually a woman, who showed people to their seats using a pocket flashlight when the lights went off. It also denotes a type of reflector for film shooting that radiates an intense and well-distributed light. Informally, you can use the word as a euphemism for a prostitute or streetwalker because lucciole attract mates with their glowing rear ends. Finally, a beautiful word that describes a cloud of fireflies
Uno sciame di lucciole.
is
Lucciolaio.
idioms with the word lucciola.
Prendere lucciole per lanterne.
Literal translation, to take fireflies for lanterns. English meaning, to misunderstand.
Vedere le lucciole.
Literal translation, to see fireflies. English meaning, to experience intense physical pain, an uncommon variation of
Vedere le stelle.
literally, to see stars.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.